At Kirloskar, we understand your power requirements.
What happens when you study the finer workings of over 60,000 gensets? You understand that 90% of them work below the efficient load threshold. By monitoring our gensets across India in real time and analyzing their performance with our Kirloskar remote monitoring technology, we designed the next generation of power solutions. Welcome to Optiprime. Built with our patented hybrid technology, it works with twin hybrid power packs and inbuilt synchronization, so you get optimum power, a lower product footprint, better flexibility, and maximum savings. It reduces the space used by 20%. It optimizes fuel consumption and lowers the cost of ownership. It even lowers carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxide emissions by 50%, with a significant reduction in service costs. This patented design offers you a powerful, efficient, and highly reliable power generation unit. That's why at Kirloskar Oil Engines, we say, may the power always be with you, because we ensure it is.